welcome back to Tips and Tricks. Today we're gonna show you how to cook, how to season a beautiful piece of meat, lamb shoulder. So let's get started. So as you see, that's our shoulder from our previous video, how we debone that, how we prepare the meat for that. So we're gonna season this piece of meat. Let me just take out these little bruises of blood. So what we need for this, we need some thyme, fresh rosemary, black pepper, some pink salt,
yeah,
Himalayan salt actually.
This one's
And guess what? We gonna prepare all this stuff with one super ingredient. Guess what? Anchovies.
Or anchovies.
Yeah. Maybe you'll say, are you crazy? No. These anchovies, salty anchovies fish with this piece of lamb are gonna give it so good flavor. And at the end, when we're gonna roast and final end, we're gonna cut the piece. I'll show you step by step, and I'll show you how to prepare salsa verde.
What?
Senti salsa verde. It's a sauce for that meat. So let's get started with this. We just, my god, I forget garlic. Where's my garlic? Can you go get some?
Sure.
Thank you. We don't have here?
I remember. I'll go get some garlic.
So I'm gonna season that with the pepper.
I got the garlic.
Can you clean some for me, please?
How much?
Maybe 5, maybe half.
Okay, I'll just do half.
Please.
Just like the big piece or the small piece of half? The small piece, yeah?
Yep.
Small piece is just like 2, 3, 4.
Turn it around.
Oh, I think it's time to hurt. What are you doing right now?
Season with the black pepper.
Oh, okay. Our pepper is not really a black pepper. It has different colors in it, but it's still called black pepper, yeah?
And I'm gonna dip that thyme. And I don't want to put these sticks.
I got
on.
one.
Get one? Thank you.
At least I got one. I got another one.
Oh, so rich flavor. This herb kill me with that flavor.
Ow.
They have so rich flavor, you know, and especially when you cook with the meat. My God.
Is 4 enough? Is 4 enough?
Give me one more, please.
Okay. I'm gonna give you one sort of big one.
Hmm.
Oh, that was big. There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Can I smell it?
You don't feel nothing, or what?
I can smell it.
So what did you ask
I
me?
just want to like smell it more better.
See, just boom, just stick.
You guys can smell this like we're like.
Oh, it's really bad camera.
Oh my gosh, I can smell it. That is so strong. Yeah. That is a lot. You need all of them. Yeah.
No, just whatever we have here. I'm not gonna do all of them. I have more, but it's enough.
What's that gonna do?
Flavor. It's a nice flavor.
Good. Put these anchovies out of the way.
So I'm gonna put these away. I want to chop a little bit of garlic. I'm gonna use this knife, my butcher knife.
You don't care. It's just a knife, yeah?
Yeah, and you're gonna slice like that. Oop.
You got one cut from like a small one. Just stuck together. Is that enough, or do you want more?
No, it'll be enough. Enough. Don't worry. So we're gonna put that back.
Not covering the garlic. Not covering the garlic. Okay? Garlic. Oh, there's some over here. Some in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna put inside, you know, one of those little holes.
Yeah, over
to
here.
stick, and they're gonna give that rich flavor of garlic.
Everywhere.
You know? Yeah. Because we want to get that from the meat, you know, from this taste, this. So here you go. Now we're gonna put some.
Did you put some of this?
No. Yes. Now I.
Does that give flavor too?
Yep.
Do they both have different flavors?
Yes.
Makes sense.
Yes.
Oh yeah, they do. That this one
That's
has more.
enough here.
Oh, that is.
As you can see. Now we're gonna.
We forgot the salt.
Salt attend.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Anchovies. Smell. That's. Oh my goodness.
It actually doesn't smell good. No.
You eat that before with me together, my goodness. So I'm gonna put little pieces here.
Ew.
Oh, you can't believe.
I ate that?
Yeah.
I never eaten that.
You eat that with me.
Oh my
So you're
gosh.
gonna put that anchovies.
I can't look at that.
Put some oil of that anchovies in the top.
Are you done?
No.
I'm not gonna look at that. It's just red oil.
And then take some
Wait,
salt.
can I try one of those salt thingy things?
We're gonna put salt and we're gonna roll that.
I'm gonna be trying one for these little pieces.
Try to roll tight till the end. So that's our piece of meat. You see how
It
they
is
look?
really like,
See how they look?
yeah, but this salt is like so salty.
Now, what we need to do now?
Put it in the pan.
No.
Cook it.
We need to use the string to tie. So what we need to do to tie
Oh yeah,
it.
'cause then it's not gonna just like go like that.
I lost. Here. So here you go.
Put it really tight, but don't get frustrated if it breaks. It's just a silly old string. Okay, I got the. That was not me.
So now we're gonna put again a little bit more of
Juice.
oil.
And I'm not gonna eat this.
Oh, so delicious.
I would rather. Why did you do this?
Because they have a nice
I
rich
just
flavor.
put oil and that.
Yep. We're gonna have so rich flavor.
I'm gonna try a little bit, okay? When it's done, a little bit.
You're gonna like it. You're gonna eat everything like crazy.
No.
Yes.
No. Prove to you.
You'll see.
I might. But I don't know that I won't.
So next step is cooking. So as you see, we're gonna start frying a little bit to give a really nice crust for the meat before we put in the oven. We're gonna fry for 2-3 minutes on each side to give really nice crust. As soon as they catch all that crust, I'm gonna put in a pan, and we're gonna put for 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 1.5 to 2 hours. You can take a spoon and start adding these things on the top. Smells delicious. Just try to turn the rust perfectly. The ends of that piece of meat you need to fry a little bit too. So that's it, done. Just put in the top to be look like that. Now in the oven for 2 hours. That's it. During process of cooking our roast lamb in the oven, we're gonna prepare the sauce for those lamb. So for that we need bunch of meat. I use only leaves, like as you can see, just leaves. Italian parsley, some salt, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 pickled cornichon cucumber, black pepper, anchovies, olive oil, and some vinegar. Many people using the technique to chop these things in a chopper, blender, or whatever. I gonna cut with a knife. You need to do really fine. Because when you start mixing, you need to make kind of puree for that, you know. When you're gonna take out the meat from the chop, this one, just hold nicely tight with your hand. Be careful to not chop your finger. And keep going. Usually people for salsa verde, they use cuppers, but I don't really like that. I'm gonna use only one pickled cucumber, and that's it. Our parsley done. Just I'm gonna take my cucumber. With this one, be careful. You need to go really fine. See, I was trying to make like a super thin film. Keep doing that. You need now just chop that fine as possible. Beautiful. If you don't know how to use the knife, just take your time. Do it slow, but do it right. Believe me, the knife know what they do. That's it. Anchovies. So we don't need too much. We're gonna get only 2 or 3 pieces. Same, slice it nice. I'm gonna go on an angle. Let's do it this way. Our anchovy is done. Perfect. Now, little bit of salt, black pepper, olive oil, and then little bit of vinegar. Somebody use honey Dijon mustard. My kids don't really like that, so I'm not gonna add that here. So now we're gonna give a good mix, and that's it. Let's do this. I just need a spoon. I said mint, parsley. I use Italian parsley, pickled cucumber, anchovies, vinegar, honey Dijon, mustard, olive oil, garlic. That's it. So that's our salsa verde. Believe me, it's much better than in store because I prepare with my hand. So next step, our meat, salsa verde in the top, slice and try. Here we go. So as you can see, that's our roast. It's already set for about 25 minutes. And now you're gonna put salsa verde. They're gonna absorb and give this rich flavor of mint, parsley. I'm gonna put that on each piece. The rest I'm gonna put on the top like that. So that's our roast lamb. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next video.